Okay, so I'm going to use Clo to draft the armhole cowl. I think I'll try the sleeveless version, and it looks pretty simple. It takes our front bodice and lines it straight up and down, and then it takes the back bodice and positions it on its side. And then we're gonna do design 2, which they're calling the halter. So I will have the shoulder basically cut in half so it's a little bit less wide and just go straight and just ignore the darts, leave all this in between. Oh, it has a 1-inch extension. I don't know why. I might not add that actually. That's basically it. Okay, so let's give it a shot. So in Chloe, I already arranged the front bodice like that, and then I put the back one on the side. I guess I can split the armhole. Let's see here. Actually, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just make it whatever length this is, 1 inch. That's fine. And then I'm going to get rid of this sewing because I'm going to get rid of the dart. Oops. Okay. Okay, let's see. How am I best going to do this? Okay, so I'm going to add a split line 1 inch here. Okay. Maybe I should do tracing. Let's see, I could do an internal line first to connect this straight off to this. And then okay. And then I might need a big piece of fabric. Okay, and try the tracing tool. Okay. Right click. I guess trace pattern. I know it's going to force me to put it in here. Okay, maybe I can connect it. Actually, not a good idea. Right click, merge to average. This one's kind of weird. Okay. Oh, I think something funky happened. Oh no. It's just because I have a really big slant on my front bodice. The book has more of a straight line, but mine's really curved. Okay. I don't like that. Okay, let's try tracing again. Okay. Oh no! Yay, I did it. Okay, so let's see if we can sew this up. Oh boy. Okay, so this would be center front. Should I do a fold line? Maybe. I don't know. Let's try it. And then what gets sewn? I guess our sleeves get sewn. So you are going to get sewn to, and I guess I can make the center back be sewn to itself. I think that's it. I know it should get sewn to the skirt, but I think I'm going to ignore that for right now. Okay. Let's get our arrangement points out. Let's click this guy. Okay. Yes, it's huge. I don't know if this is gonna work with the arrangement points. Let's try. Definitely not. What the heck? Okay. Put it upside down. No. Okay. So the hard part's gonna be sewing this guy, but it's drafted. Now we just gotta figure out how to sew it.